check, it's 5:10 in the morning. At madilim pa nung nakaalis kami sa bahay. But we are hoping na sana hindi kami matraffic para makarating kami ng maaga sa Camp Mori. And we are now here in Antipolo. Hindi naman kami na traffic kanina, pero medyo naligaw lang kami ng konti lang naman. And the weather looks good, guys. Sana hindi umulan bukas para hindi kami mahirapan mag-camp. And dumaan muna kami dito sa 7-Eleven to grab our breakfast and also bumili na rin ng ice. Yan, coffee's life. Say hi, love, love. Minadaanan din kami mga cute pusa. And we are now on our way to the campsite. Medyo challenging yung daan kasi lubak-lubak, but look at the view, guys. Sobrang ganda. Pero dito lang kami tumagal dahil sa unexpected traffic na ito.
Ang shades naman talaga yan. Laban na laban naman talaga yan. And finally, hello Camp Mori! After magpahinga ni Arvin at ni Kate, nag-start na kaming lahat na mag-pitch ng tent kasi after neto, magluluto na kami ng sisig for lunch. Hindi ko nga lang siya na-videohan, sayang. Pero, okay lang yan. And this is our setup. Ito yung tent namin ni Vane. And then yung tent ni Kate, yung green. This is our dining area. And this is our mini kitchen. Hi guys! So we are here sa Camp Mori para sa aming weekend camping trip. Siyempre kasama ko dito yung pamangkin ko and my husband Arvin. Quick review for Camp Mori. The place is very spacious and sabi nga this campsite can accommodate 100 visitors. Malamig naman yung area, mahangin. So yun yung nakaka-relax mo. If ikaw yung tipo ng camper na gusto mo talaga yung as in tahimik, I highly suggest The Preserve. Maganda talaga dun. Sobrang security.
It's dinner time and we're having sanggipsal. But unfortunately, hindi na kami nakapag-video after nito dahil nagsimula ng bumuhos ang malakas na ulan hanggang sa pag-uwi namin. But we really had a fun and a memorable weekend. And for our brunch, dito naman kami sa Sumo Cafe. And it's a must try, guys. Sobrang sarap and sobrang mura ng food nila. Kaya hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!